Kickstart a fun-filled journey of simple meditation sessions focused on being present and calm with a sprinkle of fun. Visualize your worries as bubbles in our mindful bubble game. Breathe them out with each exhale. In our balancing act with inner clowns, view your thoughts as jesters acrobating on a tightrope. If they fall, just burst into laughter. Through inner garden giggles, envision a garden where your worries are dancing flowers. Pluck one and see it metamorphose into petals laughter. Now consider your emotions as colorful beach balls floating on an ocean in beach ball of emotions. Throw them with each mindful breath and see them bounce back with joy. Imagine drifting through tranquil clouds in cloud surfing. If your thoughts drift like clouds, surf them playfully. These meditation adventures will assist you in discovering your inner peace, with a hint of amusement. Mindfulness can be a merry journey towards happiness, brimming with unexpected laughter. Join us on this mindful sojourn. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for daily updates. We cherish your support. Share your favorite topics in the comments. Catch you next time.